Hello, welcome to Educators. Yes, here we are, here to cut trouser. This is the measurement. The waist is 34, the length is 38, then the lap, for the lap, some call it thigh. The thigh is 22. Then we are making the leg or the ankle 13. This pattern is the simplest pattern and easiest method of cutting trouser. We are using freehand. As you stay tuned, as you watch it, may you remain blessed. Thank you. So to get your waist measurement, you have to divide 34 by 4. 34 divided by 4, then you add 1.5 to get your waist measurement. That is the formula for drafting trouser. 34 divided by 4 plus 1.5 to get your waist. This our method is very simple. If you listen attentively and you watch it carefully, under 2 days you start cutting trouser. Under a minute you start cutting trouser. And very soon we'll draw a video on how to sew. So this is the length. Our length is 38. We are adding 2.5 for seam and folding allowance. That is, and we are removing 1.5 for this side. That is what brings about the slant that you are seeing there. The slant, you take 1.5 out. And this is the leg. We are measuring the leg, which is around the ankle. Yes, it's 13, but we add 0.5 for seam allowance, which is 14. Then for the thigh, the lap, don't add extra allowance. That one, just cut it, mark it sharp. 22 is 22. No seam allowance around that side. Then also you draw your curve. It's very easy. It's our method. And for the crunch, before I forget, the crunch is 10 for adults. Adult is 10. But if the person is very chubby, you can add extra 0.5 on it. Thank you. So we are cutting our trouser. This is the front. We're cutting the front. This is the front pattern. So we are about to cut the back. This is the back pattern. Trouser is very simple to draft. So remember, the front pattern, you're not going to place it direct. You are turning it upside down. So we are turning it upside down to get our back pattern. So we'll cut. Maybe we'll trim. Yes, we'll trim it down. This piece is for our zip flap. It's our zip flap. You know, many of you guys will be confused about this back. This is the back, like around the nyash area. So this pieces is for the pocket lining, maybe pocket facing. If you should, in case if you are using another color of pocketing, this one will cover for it to not show. Then for that same back, if the person is not chubby, you can add 2 inches or 1.5 inch. Person is not chubby, before cutting it, before slanting it. So after the slant, we are going to add 2 inches for extra allowance. You know, the back is bigger than the front. Any trouser you are cutting, the back should be bigger than the front if you don't want to spoil your trouser. Thank you. I guess that's all for the cutting of trouser. We have removed the front pattern, and this is the back. Remember to add 2 inches. The person, if it's for small child, you can just make it 1.5. But for adults, it's 2 inches. Don't forget, it's 2 inches. Always 2 inches. Thank you.